Hello class, today is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020, and the quote is, I'm empathic when I understand before being understood. So today we're going to learn vocabulary 27. So everybody repeat after me. Dry, seco. Wet, mojado. Naughty, travieso. Kind, amable. Photo, foto. Fridge, refrigerador. Now open your class book in page 102 and write the short date. Recuerda que si no tienes tus libros en casa, te mandé un archivo adjunto que puedes imprimir o puedes utilizar para poner únicamente en una hojita con la página Classbook las respuestas, ¿ok? So let's listen.
Listening 144. Listen and point. Listening 144. Listen and point.
Kind. Naughty. Wet. Dry. Fridge. Photo. Wet. Kind. Dry. Naughty. Photo. Fridge.
Listen and repeat.
Kind. Naughty. Wet. Dry. Fridge. Photo.
Now let's go to exercise number 3, and first we're going to watch the video.
Look at the photos on the fridge. Look, we were in the park. You were kind, Tim.
The babies weren't sad. They were just hungry.
We were outside. We were very wet.
Mum wasn't wet. It was dry in the flat. Look at this one. It was Billy's birthday. He was very naughty.
Look, these ducks were naughty. And this goat was naughty too.
I was naughty then, but I'm not naughty now. I'm a big boy now.
Yes, you're very good now.
Now you are going to read the story aloud, and when you finish, close your class book. Now open your workbook in page 102, and we are going to answer the first exercise. Repeat photo, dry, kind, wet, fridge, and naughty. And here you have to circle and find the words, okay? Use colors. Then in exercise number 2, you have to complete the sentences using the words on the top. Now when you finish, close your class book, just close your workbook, and let's go to the worksheet, okay? Remember, you can print or you can copy vocabulary 27. And remember to practice spelling bee with these words, okay? Remember, it's very important to practice spelling bee. And finally is family time. You are going to take out a photo album. you are going to describe the pictures. Oh, here is a little mistake. You are going to describe the pictures using vocabulary 27 and enjoy the album, ¿ok? Vas a sacar un álbum de fotos y lo vas a ver junto con tu familia y van a ir describiendo usando estas palabras. Van a ir describiendo el álbum, ¿ok? And don't forget to sing the goodbye song, ¿ok? Goodbye class, see you tomorrow.